First of all, Jai Hind, all of you guys. How are you? Is everything fine? Uh, Let me explain today's session. First of all, very big welcome to all of you in this session. Okay, express shorts. Yes. Today we discuss about deeply analysis upcoming 10 minutes. Yes, under 10 minutes just speak and express my opinion as compared to regular session. I try to guys listen. I try to proper word explain. Yes, I try to explain each and every words. Okay, no worry. मैं उधर पेन देख रहा था. Yes, no worry. Just chill and just take this session. तो दोनों हम लैंग्वेज मिक्स होगा यहाँ पे बिकॉज कभी मैं था तो मैं उतना समझ नहीं पाता था इंग्लिश. आई नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. आई मीन यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. आई नो गाइस. यस आई नो. जस्ट बिकॉज मैं भी इस फेज से गुजर चुका हूँ. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस सेशन. 1 मिनट के अंदर अपना इंट्रोडक्शन हो जाता है थोड़ा बहुत, उसके बाद स्टार्ट हो जाता है सेशन. तो ये क्या है भाई? सेंटॉक्स AQ पार्टनर विथ Artropic at Anthropic to bring scientific AI tools to cloud. आई मीन टू से लास्ट डे क्लाउड का बहुत सारा मैं पढ़ा था. ठीक है ना, कभी कभी बोल रहा था कि रिप्लेस कर रहा है क्लाउड को. तो सैंडबॉक्स AQ spin out from alphabet is integrating its drug discovery model into Anthropic's cloud chatbot platform. This will make it easier for scientists to access and use the model, potentially reducing time and cost for drug discovery. The physics grounded model could benefit industries beyond computational scientific. Okay, no worry, just sin. Kiss its Pope Leo 14 viral 6 to 7 trend at Vatican. I don't know what does it mean. For school always to the heart of the Vatican. The viral 6 7 trend seems to be everywhere, even reaching the Pope Leo 14 recently joined in on the Gen Alpha craze, drugging and interaction with children at the Vatican on May 16. In a video now circulating widely online, a group of youngster granted the point of by saying 6 event while performing the now familiar hand gesture. विजय के बारे में चलो डिस्कस करेंगे. कारुप्पू कलेक्शन. कारुप्पू मूवी का नाम है ये. कारुप्पू कलेक्शन डे 4. सूर्या त्रिशा फिल्म आइज ₹150 crore. CM Vijay get special gift despite several hurdles. Director RJ Balaji's Karuppu starting Surya and Trisha in the lead role has struck gold at the box office and is currently continuing its successful run. Meanwhile, the movie's team recently met Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and former actor Sri Joseph Vijay to express their gratitude for his support. Vijay also congratulated them on the success of the fantasy action drama. Google Backstone to Blackstone to launch AI cloud venture to meet data center demand. Google and Blackstone have formed a joint venture to address the increasing need for AI computing services with a $5 billion investment. They plan to bring 500 megawatts of data center capacity online and offer Google's custom AI clips through a compute as a service model. The venture, led by a former Google exclusive, is seen as a promising move towards sustainable growth in AI infrastructure. Okay. हाँ, ये वाला वीडियो मैं देखा, ठीक है ना, ये वाला वीडियो मैं देखा, ये जो वायरल हो रहा है ना, अभी इंस्टाग्राम से मैं देख के आ रहा हूँ। MEACB जियोर्ज शट डाउन नॉर्वेजियन स्क्राइब ओवर क्वेश्चन ऑन इंडियाज ग्लोबल क्रेडिबिलिटी। ठीक है ना, तो इसका मैं जो वीडियो देखा तो बिलीव मी गाइस, टोटली स्पीक इन इंग्लिश एंड आई अंडरस्टूड ईच एंड एवरी, आई मीन maximum around 99% I understood. Okay, now I explain it. MEA defends India's democratic institutions, constitutional values and diversity during during press freedom and human right. Secretary West CV Georgie highlights India's constitution, equal rights for women and vibrant media ecosystem. Yes, now I explain it because ये important है इसलिए मैं इस पे आ गया. The Minister of External Affairs on Monday, May 18, defended India's democratic institution, constitutional values and diversity during a media interaction in Oslo. After questions were raised about press freedom and human rights amid Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Norway. While addressing reporters in Oslo, MEA Secretary West CB Georgi engaged in a tense exchange with a Norwegian journalist after she repeatedly questioned India's credibility and international trustworthiness. Why should we trust you? She asked. The MEA Secretary West responded, stating that India has a constitution that guarantees electoral freedom, voting rights for women, and fundamental rights for all citizens of the country. We have a constitution which guarantee the rights of the people, fundamental rights of the people. We have, we have equal rights for the women of our country, which is very important. In 1947, we gave the freedom to vote for our women. We won the freedom together, and they won itself, Georgie said. Many countries I know the voting right for women come several decides decades after India gave that freedom. You know this because we believe in equality, we believe in human rights, and what is the best example of human rights? The right to exchange government, the right to vote, and that is what is happening in India. We are so proud of that. He added, "This is my press conference," says George. George then firmly responded to repeated inter- interruptions while answering questions on India's international credibility, stating, "Let me answer the question. Please don't interrupt me. You ask a question. This is my press conference. You ask why should a country trust India? Let me answer that question." He he then cited India's multi multilingual and vibrant media ecosystem while responding to press freedom concern raised by one of the reporters in Oslo. You know how many stories are up here. We have how many breaking news coming every day in the evening, at least 200 TV channels in Delhi alone, in English languages, in Hindi language, and multiple languages. Sorry guys, English language, in Hindi language, and multiple languages. People have no understanding of the scale of India. People have no understanding, he said. Zezia further emphasized India's adherence to the rule of law, adding, "India is a country that believes in the rule of law. We have always been following rules wherever it is. We play by the book. That is India reputation." The MES secretary faced then highlighted India's COVID-19 supports effort and its contributions to mathematics, culture, and global heritage while responding to questions on the country global credibility. You look around, you look around the, you look around and you see an India connect everywhere in the world. India has the number you see on your phones. It organized in India. Soyanaya Zero organized in India. Chess originated in India. Chess originated in India. So we are proud of the civilization yoga which the world emirates today organized in India. India had epics and book. Yes, I explain it. I am so happy. I'm so happy that more types of he was count more types our rights. Yes, in India. Yes. So how was today's session? Now I end this session because of guys session is long, and you know why I quick stop this session, because guys, if long session I upload, then you take hetergy. Yes, hetergy. So I don't long take session. Okay, i I hope you all understood each and every point. Telling me on comment section your opinion. Yes, because your opinion is matter, guys, for me. Yes, your opinion is matter for me, so that I mean uh, in future I will better perform in this session. Yes, in this session. This is express sort. Okay, this is express sort. I regular cover it. Yes, so what, I regular cover it. So hit hit like and subscribe the channel if you want, and telling me on comment section your every doubt. Yes. Okay, then see you another session, another day. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टाटा, अगेन जय हिंद all of you.